Hello, my friends. I am so glad you're here today. My name is Miss Eileen, or my students in the classroom calls me Mrs. Wonderlick. What do you see, friends? Oh my goodness. There's so many things on the cover. Whoa. What's the first thing we look for in a book? First thing, yes, the title of the story. What is the title of the story, friends? Yes, the title of our story is Halloween. Can you say it with me? Halloween. Ooh, we are going to read all about Halloween. Yes. Let's see. The authors of the story, authors are the people who wrote all the words in the book. They are Pearl Yo and Qing Hua. Ooh, and it's illustrated. Illustrated means this person drew all the beautiful and scary pictures and illustrations in the story. It's illustrated by Siming Liao. She drew all the cute little pictures and the scary pictures in the story. How exciting. Are you ready to go on an adventure with me reading this wonderful story? Yeah, let's read. What do you see on Halloween? What do you see on Halloween? Oh, I see a spider crawling on the wall. I see a spider crawling on the wall. Ooh. Do you see a spider? What do you see on Halloween? What do you see? Yeah, he's dressed up like a pumpkin. I see a jack-o'-lantern sitting on the floor. This is a jack-o'-lantern. Whoa, it's orange and yellow and black. Yes, this is a jack-o'-lantern. Ooh, scary. What do you see on Halloween? Ooh, do you see? Ooh. My friend here is dressed up like Dracula with teeth. Ooh. I see 2 bats flying near the moon. How many bats? 1, 2. 2 bats flying over the moon. My friends, what color is the moon? It's yellow. Good job. What do you see on Halloween? Whoa, my friends here are dressed up like, what are they? Let's read. I see a witch riding on a broom. Oh, it's like a witch or a wizard. Whee! They're sitting on a broom. Whoa, do you see colors? What colors do you see? What colors? Brown, purple, orange. What color's her hair? Green. Yes, indeed. What do you see on Halloween? I see a skeleton dancing with joy. This is a skeleton. My friend here is wearing a skeleton costume. skeleton. And he is dancing with joy. How fun. What do you see on Halloween? I see a lot of candy. A girl and a boy. Whoa, candy. Do you like candy? Do you like candy? Yes? No? Yeah, me too. What do you see on Halloween? What do you see? I see friends wearing masks and going trick-or-treating. Whoa, they all have little buckets with candies going trick-or-treating. How fun to do it with friends. And the next day, I can share everything I saw with my friends. Wow, how cool. Oh, my friends, look. The teacher is dressed up like a banana. What color is a banana? It's yellow. Yes, good job. And she is sharing our Halloween story. How awesome. Woohoo. This is the end of our Halloween storybook level 1. This book was created last year. It was a very special book we created so we can all share our Halloween experience last year, even though we had to stay home most of the time. We hope you all enjoy this wonderful story. Stay safe this year, but have a wonderful time, my friends. I'll see you very soon.